Hey everybody, Darren here from SBS, here to show you the new Chef Blender from Blendtec. The Chef Blender is something we've been waiting for years. Blendtec did a fantastic job of this. So they did base it off of this amazing 4 horsepower base. This is based on the bar blender as well, so it is the same base.
Previously on SBS.
The controls on the bar blender are very simple. You have your pulse down below, and you have your flick up for blend. You've got a variable speed setting over here. Basically, when your blend setting, if you have it set on 5, you're going to be blending at a certain speed. If you do pulse, it'll actually pulse a little bit faster yet. So if you're 10, your max setting on blend will be a little bit slower than what your pulse will be. The difference is the jar. So the jar is the unique. It's a 96-ounce jar that comes with the paddle for your thicker purees. Comes with a great lid that seals really, really well on the outsides, as well as you can add product during a blend should you want an ingredient to be chunkier or thicker. And of course, the Blendtec jar. This jar is ribbed on the sides, so it has these great ridges to help bring product in. It's got the cold forged blade still inside. It's slightly sharper than our other blades, still pulverizing, but a little bit sharper to get those perfect blends. A spout that makes it easy to pour your purees and whatnot out as well. Comes with our great double bearing system, as well as the drive socket that goes into the motor. I mentioned before, this drive socket is welded to the motor. It's part of the motor, so there is no loss of power between the blender base and the jar. The jar itself is a copolyester material from Triton. It's just so strong. Blendtec has already done a great job of front of the house. I mean, seriously, if you're not using Blendtec, try it. Call us today. We even have demos if you want to try one out. The jar is warranted for 1 year replacement. The jar is also super easy to clean. The beauty of this jar is you can still go inside and not cut yourself at all. And once you've washed the jar, you put it upside down to dry, and it actually has holes on the top so the water goes away from the bearings and extends the life of the jar. So whether you're making salsa, whether you're making soups, whether you're making purees, whether you're making chicken nuggets, this blender is up to the task, and we're really, really excited to bring it to the Canadian market. Call us today if you want more information. We have them coming in, but they're moving out as fast as they're coming in now.